Hey there, here in the back under the surface, the Stasis capsules needed more space and destroyed the old section plan, my friends. The real plan was to use these parts only for cargo, but it's not bad because I fixed the wasted space around the levels. You see only space for one transporter, the cargo version. I filled the space with Stasis capsules, maybe I craft later the connection to the upper system. A hole, that is by the way the medicine deck. A lift is already there, but the very nice thing here is the connection to the medical airlock preparation. It's of course not the primary cargo supply or the passenger transport station, but for a mission, if we walk one level down, unfortunately we have no stairs, we can use the normal elevator or that lift. Here is a big storage place, on the right is the left engine and access to two more transporter of the crew version. One upper and one more here. The entire room was meant as repair or update place in total to handle crushed transporter, because the rooms around now is smaller but worked. In conclusion, a small transporter access with connection to the medical space. Then thanks so much for watching and see you next time.